Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on PayPal. PayPal is an online payment platform. You can easily change language on PayPal. For this, you need to open any web browser available on your PC. I'm going on with Google Chrome. Now you can go to your search bar and type in www.paypal.com. Then you can press on enter. With this, you'll be taken to official website of PayPal. Now here you need to make sure that you are logged into your PayPal account. After you get logged in, here you can see small gear icon near logout option. Click on the small gear icon. With this, it will take you to settings of your PayPal. Now here you can see language option under account options. You can click on language box. Then you'll be able to find different language. Here I have only English language as my option. So you can click on any language that you want. After this, your language will be changed. This is how we can change language on PayPal. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.